guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sam, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. So a couple months ago, I had posted an everyday makeup tutorial and you guys really liked that video, but since then my makeup routine has changed so drastically and I've been seeing a lot of comments asking me to do my everyday makeup routine. So I decided there's no better time to update my makeup routine and show you guys exactly how I do it, because I've been wearing this makeup look literally every single day. I've been super into the glowy, dewy, glassy skin makeup look, and I feel like I really found the best product to achieve this look. And I've worn this many times, so I can testify that it stays put literally all day. So if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look right here on my face, then just keep watching. Alright guys, you already know the deal. Got my braids in from overnight because I feel like every time I want to do a look just like this, I like when my hair is like crimpy. So that is why I braided my hair. Just ignore them and let's just get right into the makeup. I literally like just woke up. If my energy is a little low, that is why. I'm sorry. I will progressively wake up more throughout this video. So I just washed my face, and the very first thing that I always do is I put on moisturizer. I use the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I'm literally in love with this moisturizer. This gives your face so much like life. Like I can't even describe it. Just a very good moisturizer and I recommend it. For a summery, glossy skin, whatever kind of look we're going for today, you really need to focus on your skin and your skincare. You need your skin to look nice and moisturized and hydrated. So moisturizer is definitely very important. Okay, so now that that's done, like I said, I really like to focus on skin. I like when the skin looks very natural and smooth and like glowy. I don't like the caked on look, especially in the summer. So after we moisturize, it is very important to prime your skin, especially if you want your skin to look nice and smooth throughout the day, and if you're gonna be outside and it's summertime, you don't want your makeup to get all patchy. So I just started using this primer. Actually, it's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. If you have a pore minimizing primer, they will fill up your pores and just give you a very nice and smooth base. I just put on very little like that, and I mainly focus it on my T-zone. This primer is slightly mattifying, so I want to go in and bring back some of that moisture and like glowiness to my skin. So I've been recently trying out the MAC Strobe Cream. So I basically just take a little bit, got everywhere, okay? So I'll just take literally like a little bit like this, put it on my cheeks, and mainly focus it on places that I like highlighting already. This just gives you a nice glowy sheen to your skin underneath your foundation or whatever you're using. Makes you look very nice and moisturized and healthy. Okay, moving on. So obviously in the summer, I don't like to wear heavy foundation. I want to have something that's a little bit less coverage. So I've been really liking the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and I really like this product because it actually has SPF 30 in it, which sunscreen is literally so important for your skin. It's very light coverage, and I really have it. Oh my god, I got it on my pants. So I will just literally take a very small amount. Then I take this little brush from Real Techniques. I just get a little bit on it, and then I just start putting it on my face. I'm literally so sorry for my air conditioner. Like in every single one of my videos, it just ruins the everything is interrupting me. Okay. But anyways, that's what I was saying. My air conditioner literally ruins the audio in every single one of my okay. Relax. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get this video done today. It's gonna be a good video. Alright, so I will just stipple this into my skin with this brush, and then I need to go in with a beauty blender to really blend out the streak, make it look very skin-like. So I'm using the Real Technique beauty sponge, and I just go in and blend it out even more. So it really presses it into the skin and makes it look very natural. The next step is concealer. I like using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard, and I literally just take this smallest amount and I put it right underneath my eye, both sides, and I do it like right here to lift up my eye. I discovered this little trick from TikTok. It was like a model makeup tutorial, and this is how like the models do their concealer. So I've been doing that and I've been really liking the result. As you can see, this eye already looks so much more awake. Oh, I really like this little trick. Makes me feel like I'm a little model getting my makeup done. Not really, but then I also just take the concealer and I put it over here just to brighten it up a little bit and on any blemishes that I have. Then I blend. Okay, so once I have all the concealer blended out, I like to set just underneath my eyes. Literally nowhere else, because I'm not done putting more cream on my face. Just to make sure that my concealer under my eyes don't crease, I like to use the KKW Fake Powder in shade 2. And I just place it right underneath my eyes and also on the side where I put concealer. Okay, now that that's sitting on my face, I'm going to put some more warmth into my skin, more life into my skin. So if you can't already tell, I like to use a lot of creams and less powder. So for my bronzer, I'm going to be using a cream contour stick, which is also from KKW. I have both the contour and highlighting stick, so I'm going to be using both of those. For the contour stick, I'm using medium contour. So I will just put some here, make a little 3 on my face. Finally, my freaking air conditioner turned off. I'm so sorry if that was annoying you this whole time, because it was annoying me. So yeah, I basically just use the lighter shade the most. I will go and contour my nose a little bit. I contour very messily, and then I just blend as hard as I could afterwards. Make sure it looks good. Then I'll just go back in with the brush that I did my tinted moisturizer and just really blend that out and buff it into my cheekbones and where else I put it. I really like these contour sticks. They literally blend out so easily and they look so nice and natural. So yeah, if TikTok gets banned, I'm going to be extremely upset, because I feel like TikTok literally like changed my life for the better in so many ways, which sounds so crazy, but it literally has, and it has given me so much confidence. It just literally gave me that push that I needed to start a YouTube channel. And I feel like a lot of you guys have come from my TikTok and came to support me on my YouTube, which I am so thankful for, and I love each and every single one of you guys. Like, you have no idea how thankful I am. So I really owe a lot to TikTok. Really love it, and I really don't want it to go away, because I feel like it is probably one of the best apps that we've had in a while. I definitely would miss it a lot. So as you can see, you can still see like red spots and pimples that I have, which I think is like fine. I really like the natural look, you know. I don't want to look caked on, especially in the summer if I'm gonna be going out. Like, I feel so uncomfortable. Like, if I'm going to like a chill casual place in the summer, like, I feel so uncomfortable having a full face of makeup on. Like, am I the only one? I don't really know if that's like a weird thing, but I feel so like I'm not doing the right thing. I don't know. As you can see, that blended out so nicely, and it just gave me such a natural definition to my face, and it doesn't look harsh at all. Just such a nice natural contour. Like, I literally love that product so much. So for blush, I am in love with the NARS blush in Orgasm, and I've been using this blush, like the powder version of it, for years. Like, literally since I was like 15, I've been using NARS Orgasm blush, and I just recently got the same shade in a blush stick form, which I am so happy about, because I prefer cream blush over powder blush, because I just feel like it lasts longer and it looks better. So I will just take it on my finger a little bit. I just pat away onto my cheeks. I have this mini Real Techniques brush that I like to just get my under eye powder out of the way, and I will just go back in. This product is super blendable and buildable, so obviously it's not super pigmented right away, but you could build it up, which I really like. And I do like a lot of blush, so I'll just be blending for a little bit. As you can see, my skin has such a nice glow to it, and I'm just so in love, like, you don't understand. And then I love to put the blush on the nose, my favorite freaking part. I've been doing this makeup look for a few days now, because I just recently got these products and I've been trying them out, and I've really been liking them, and I've been getting so many compliments. So I really hope you guys like this tutorial, and I hope I'm doing a good job, because I'm not a makeup expert, okay? Don't come for me, but I know what to do. I know what to do for my own face, at least. Now I'm going to really take away all of the powder from my inner corner. I like to bring it on my lid too. Now I will take some powder and just set above my lip and underneath. Next, moving on, I'm going to set my contour. This is my Hoola bronzer from the past year and a half, and it's literally empty. So I just got a fresh new one. Like, look how dirty this is, and look at this clean and new one. That is just so satisfying to me, and I haven't even used this yet. Very excited. Again, I'm using a Real Techniques brush. I actually use the blush brush for my bronzer. I don't know why. Just lightly go over all the places that I contoured. And then I like to put a little bit over the nose, a little bit underneath the nose. Okay, then just to set that blush a little bit, just go in with the powder version, which, as you can see, mine is very disgusting and old. I need to get a new one. Grab a little bit on the same brush and just lightly set it. And then if it's looking a little bit too much, I just go back in with the brush that I use for my skin and just kind of pat over it so it looks more natural. And then I will go in with the highlighter stick from KKW. I will just right on my cheekbone and then just blend it out. Most importantly, down around the nose and on the tip of the nose. As you can see, we're looking very dewy, very glowy. Now I usually go in and just fix up my brows a little bit. I like to use the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. So literally all I do for my brows is I just brush them up, make sure I get any powder or foundation that I got in them out of them. Then I just like to fill in a little bit underneath and make sure the line is nice and straight. And that's really all I do. And like I said, I'll go back in with the highlighting stick and I will just highlight underneath my brow bone. Okay, before I continue, I need to do my lips because I can't stand the way that they look right now. So I just recently got this lip liner from Morphe. It is in the shade Coffee and Kissy. Such a nice dusty rose nude lip liner. Okay, so I just lined them. As you can see, I lined them pretty darkly, so I'm just going to go over and like pat it out and make it a little bit softer. It'll get softer once I put the gloss over it. Anyways, I'm in love with this lip color. Like, I don't know how I lived without this. Highly recommend this. So next, I'm just going to quickly finish up my eyes. I don't do much for my eyes. Basically, all I do is I just take my little Hoola bronzer once again, and with a little fluffy eye brush, I just messily go in my crease just to give me a little bit more definition in there. Once I just have it lightly in my crease, I just go in with a darker brown eyeshadow. I'm using this one from the James Charles palette. And I just kind of dip a tiny Morphe brush. This is the M508. And I will just literally do the tiniest little wing with the brown eyeshadow and also bring it underneath my lower lash line. Okay, so as you can see, I have a little tiny brown wing going. And I did it underneath my lash line and in the inner corner a tad bit. And now I'm just going to be taking another little shimmery color from the James Charles palette and just lightly on my lid, like the center of the lid, just to give it a little bit more dimension. And that is it. That's all I do for my eyes. And now lastly, I'm going to be using mascara, and I've been really liking this little mini sample version of this NARS mascara. It is the NARS Climax Mascara Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. I've been really liking it, so I may purchase it. I don't know because it's a little bit expensive. My drugstore favorite mascara is the Lash Sensational Maybelline mascara that looks like this, but I'm just going to be using this one for today. I have naturally super long eyelashes. I don't know how I got so lucky. The lengthening mascaras make them look too long and like too spidery, which I really don't like. And I've been really liking this one. Okay, literally look at that. Look how long they are. Sometimes I feel like they're like too long. Like, do they even look good like this? Like, all right, quickly do a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Emery highlighter. Just kind of go over the highlight that I had. Okay, now last but not least, it is time for lip gloss. That is the finishing touch, and that is always the last thing that I do. I am going to be using this ColourPop lip gloss and a kind of gloss label to it, so I have no idea what the shade is. Very sorry, but I will try to link it down below if I could. And I just put it in the center of my lips and on the top a little bit. Okay, that is it. Now I'm just gonna spray with some Morphe spray. Now I'm going to take out my braids, get myself all put together, and I will come back to show you guys the final result. And there you go. This is what the final look looks like. I just took out my hair. Clearly, I've been so obsessed with doing this makeup. I just think it's so nice and natural and clean and summery and cute. I really enjoyed filming this for you guys. So I'm going to quickly do a little montage of the completed look so you guys can get a better view of it. So let's do that right now.
What's under the subtle smile? You'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please comment down below anything else you want to see from me, and make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. They will all be linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see